This pandemic has added an unprecedented stress on our mental health and for many, their marriage. New data recently released shows divorces are on the rise across the country. So as we look towards a rebound, a marriage therapist gives us her advice on why it's happening and what you can do to save your marriage.
What I'm seeing right now is that people are exhausted, they're worn out, they're tired of this pandemic.
Erin Smalley is a marriage therapist, author, and speaker. She says the divorce rate was 34% higher from March through June this year compared to the same time last year, especially with two groups.
They're finding that it's specifically higher amongst newlyweds and couples with young children.
Smalley blames the high rates on couples spending endless hours together and what she calls quarantine fatigue.
We're exhausted, that we become somewhat pessimistic, and we're tired, we're not sure what's happening next. We're all kind of on edge.
And with many parents also helping teach their kids who are virtual, the extra stress is added to the marriage, and this affects your children as well.
The thing is with kids, often they start internalizing, is it something I did? They sense when there's tension in the marriage. So it's okay for you to say, you know, this has been hard for mom and dad.
Smalley recommends each spouse truly commit to the marriage and verbalize it.
That alone is going to set the tone that this matters to you, it matters to me. And just hearing that is going to create a united front that we're going to work through whatever it is that comes our way.
Also, a licensed counselor can teach you new coping skills.
Just bringing someone into the relationship to give you both different perspectives, to see where are we getting stuck. Maybe we do need some new skills around how we're communicating, or maybe it's how we're handling conflict. Go and seek help.
Here's your Rebound rundown. Smalley says couples counseling can be done in person or virtually if you're worried about the pandemic. Also, health insurance often covers a certain number of visits or part of the cost, depending on your coverage. And it's best to get a recommendation from a friend, as you may feel more comfortable seeing a therapist who's been referred by someone you know.